Hey y'all, what's going on? Welcome to another edition of Study Crypto. Today, we do a quick video about the crypto market cap, something you will never believe, and it's gonna blow your friggin' socks off. But first, before we get into it, do us a big favor, hit that like button as well as that subscribe button, and ding that notification bell as well for future information. Now, let's get into it. I'm going to make it a quick, dirty video. This came across my attention earlier today, and I honestly just couldn't believe what I was looking at. But based upon all the activity with BlackRock and all the ETFs with Bitcoin, all the money that's pouring in billions of dollars per day, which is unheard of, the Bitcoin ETFs have surpassed the amount that the gold ETFs took 2 to 3 years to amass. They've done it in less than 30 days. In the Bitcoin ETFs, there's already 50% of the capital that are in gold ETFs, which have been around almost 15 years. Half of that capital amount is already in the Bitcoin ETFs. The Bitcoin ETFs will most certainly surpass gold ETFs within the next month or two. More insanely, Bitcoin is raising in the ranks of market cap dramatically. It's about to cross the market cap of silver. It'll have actually at this point it has a higher market cap than silver, and it's just creeping up the ranks. So the idea I'm thinking to myself is, how high can it go? What's going on? So to get an idea of that, I'm not even going to talk about Bitcoin that much in this particular video. This is about the crypto market cap, because the crypto market cap is what's going to help dictate the height of not just Bitcoin prices, but also the prices of all the altcoins as well, ETH, Solana, and so forth. So if we look here on this chart, this is historical information, the total crypto market cap value over time, going all the way back to 2014 up until now. And as you see here, we have our regular chart in the middle. This is our bar chart showing the ups and downs, all the cycles. You see them all there. Right here, this is a Fibonacci retracement, which I have drawn from the top of the last bull market to the bottom of this one, which gives you an idea of some reasonable targets. The 8-8, these are all reasonable targets, believe it or not, for crypto. For any asset. This works with any asset. This is just pure math. So in addition to that, what I did is I drew a channel. The two blue lines are showing the container of the channel, showing that, as you can see, the crypto market cap jumps around inside this channel as it moves forward. It keeps on going up and down inside the channel. The green line in the middle is the mean. That's the average. Okay, that is within these two extremes of the channel. The blue line here and the blue line here. And as you can see, the crypto market cap, like most assets, any asset that trades in a channel, it trades around this mean, the green dotted line. Now, again, I can't go back to 2008, but as we can see here, we had a blow off top here in 2017, 2018. That was, the bull market there, and it went to the top and it came back down. Now, the next time we had a bull market was here, was this 2021, right? And what did the crypto market cap do? It went to the mean and it came down. It didn't go all the way to the top. And a lot of people say this is because the market was manipulated at that time. We didn't get our full blow off top that we usually got. We've gotten a blow off top like this ever since the beginning. The last bull market, this one in 2021, that was the first time we did not get a blow off top. Okay, now let's not even presume we get a blow off top this time with the crypto market cap. Let's just presume that we go to the mean, the average, which is the green dotted line. Okay, so if you look at the green dotted line, that's the price. If we look at the timeline, the idea is most people will agree after the halving, it'll take about another 12 months or so for us to hit the peak of the bull market. If we look at the timeline of that, we're looking at like July June 2025, as you can see at the bottom, the date is there. Now, if you do the cross section of both of those lines, where do they intersect? Well, June 2025, that intersects, if you look at the mean, the average height that the bull market goes to, that's where my cursor is at, where the yellow circle's at. That's at a $24 trillion market cap. I will say that again. By July of 2025, which many believe is going to be around the peak of this bull market, we're looking at a market cap of about $25 trillion, which again, that is average. That's in alignment with the mean, the green line. Okay, a $25 trillion market cap. What does that also do? That places us, as you can see, where that top number, the 227 fib, that's the 227 Fibonacci target. Okay, at the 227 Fibonacci target, right? That's the $24 trillion. Okay, that's the 227 Fibonacci target. Okay, now if we do that, if we're heading for the 227 Fibonacci, what price does that put Bitcoin at? Okay, so we can see here, 227 Fibonacci target on Bitcoin is $500,000 per Bitcoin. Okay, that seems reasonable, right? Considering of the bullish $1 million targets people are talking about. That seems reasonable considering a lot of the analysts. 500,000 seems very bullish, but it doesn't seem outside of conversation about a possibility, right? Again, this falls in line with that market cap we just went over of $25 trillion. That's a $500,000 Bitcoin by that same time, June of next year. Now, what's crazier than all of that is when you line up this data, $25 trillion market cap, total market cap of crypto, and you apply that to Solana, if you hit that same target with Solana, we're talking about a $24,000 Solana at a 227 Fibonacci target, which coincides with a $500,000 Bitcoin target, which also coincides with the $25 trillion total crypto market cap, which again, that's all relative to the market cap we just went over because we're talking about going back to the mean, the average, where we're supposed to be. And as you can see, all those other numbers of the Bitcoin target and Solana target, those are heavily rested on the crypto market cap. And if we continue this trend, I'm not talking crazy numbers here. It sounds crazy, but look at the math. If we continue this trend, if we continue going in this direction, and we just go back to the mean, that 25 trillion dollar market cap by June, that's what we're talking about. Now, I am not even going to touch the idea of us hitting the top of the channel because the top of the channel is $192 trillion market cap. Okay, God only knows. I'm not even going to do the math there because I think that's silly. I think it's stupid, even though it's within the realm of some possible outcome. There's some probability that it could hit that because it's still within mathematical reason looking at the channel. $192 trillion crypto market cap. I'm not even going to talk about the impact that has to the price of Bitcoin. Not even going to touch it. When you consider the amount of money printing that's going to happen, when you consider the amount of money fleeing other assets like silver, like bonds, like underperforming stocks, that's going to flee into crypto, that's already fleeing into crypto. These numbers with that fundamental data doesn't sound that crazy when you start adding that up and see the momentum we're already at. But just to say these numbers out loud make me sound stupid. But I'm only pointing out the math. This ain't hopium. This is just math. The probability of us hitting this, I do not put it that high because it doesn't make sense to my linear mind. This is an exponential move we're looking at. This is a mathematical exponential move. I the math is here. You take it for what it is. I'm not going to bet the farm on it, but I'm just showing you the numbers, and numbers don't lie. Numbers have been proven to be right this entire time with crypto. This entire time. Maybe this time is different because this is just silly. $24 trillion market cap is just silly. That's it for this video. I'm just laying out the math. No hopium, just math. If what do you think? Put some comments below. Do you think we're gonna hit it? Do you think we're not gonna hit it? Better yet, I don't care what you think. Argue against my math. Show me math that shows how I'm looking at this incorrectly, because that's all I care about is the math. What you think, what you believe means nothing. It's all about the math, because math always wins. Let me know your math against this. I need to be brought down to back to planet Earth because this math is just silly. All right, guys, please hit the like button and subscribe button if you got any value out of this. Until next time, peace.